Toyota's best-selling compact sport utility vehicle just entered a new chapter, and it is happening north of the border. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada has officially begun production of the all-new 6th-generation Toyota RAV4 for the North American market, marking a major milestone not just for the model, but for Canadian automotive manufacturing as a whole. Inside the Cambridge and Woodstock plants, the first new RAV4 rolled off the line with years of preparation behind it. This moment reflects decades of trust built between Toyota Motor Corporation and its Canadian operations. The company has leaned heavily on TMMC's experience with electrified vehicles, including long-standing production of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Lexus NX Hybrid, and Lexus RX Hybrid. That background matters more than ever as efficiency, quality, and advanced powertrains continue to shape buyer expectations. Toyota has invested more than $1.1 billion into this new generation RAV4, pushing its total investment in Canada beyond $12 billion. That kind of commitment sends a clear message. Canada is not just a supporting player in Toyota's global strategy, it is a core pillar. For the more than 8,500 team members working across the 2 Ontario facilities, this launch represents pride, stability, and long-term confidence in their skills. Since 2009, over 4 million RAV4 units have been built by TMMC, helping make the model one of the most trusted names on the road. Nearly 40 years into vehicle production, TMMC continues to raise the bar, assembling more than 535,000 vehicles in 2025 alone and preparing to celebrate its 12 millionth vehicle this year. Recognition has followed consistency. TMMC has earned a place among Canada's top 100 employers for 22 consecutive years and now stands as the most awarded automotive manufacturing plant in the world. That reputation is not built overnight. It comes from people, precision, and a relentless focus on quality.